What is up, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to the vlog. And you can see from the thumbnail, we have a super awesome car. A lot of you follow it, a lot of you love it, or even hate it. Love to hate it, who gives a flying flip? But right now, I have the one and only, some of you guys may know him as the Salt Man, Salty, James, Franklin. We just call him, what do we call him? Mr. Styles. What's up, man? So yeah, so we finally got together. We've been, finally. We've known each other, I guess, online for about 7 years. 7 years, yeah, 7 years. When I first bought my car, then Saltman got his car probably a few months after that. Since then, we've been cool friends online. We've been trading secrets and this and that back and forth and mods and stuff, and just, I don't know, just being car bros, online car bros. But together, you see from the last vlog, we actually got the cars together. Alright, man? Finally. Two cars together. So today we're just gonna go over Salt's build. What he has, what he's done to it. And we're gonna mic it up and see how it sounds. So hold on. Huh? Hold on for it. We're gonna have some B-roll and then we'll have some pulls.
So tell me, what car is this?
So I have a 2012 Infiniti G37S, the 6MT, in the best color, the A54 Vibrant Red. Twinsies.
Can you describe to us what you've done aesthetically?
It has a successful automotive carbon fiber front splitter. Has a TG Works carbon fiber side splitters, the Easy Splitters carbon fiber mirror covers, and it also has a Sedan carbon fiber hood, somewhat paint match. It has the satin black vinyl chrome delete, although I'm considering bringing chrome back on one side. And it has custom DRLs that I put in. It has an extreme roof spoiler. It has modified headlights with the satin black housing with demonized halos and a jigsaw puzzle etching on the lenses. It was something different that I wanted to do. It has a carbon signal 3-piece carbon fiber diffuser. There's retrofitted GTR taillights with halos, Masterpiece Automotive Titanium G37S emblem, and the H2O Creations Forged Carbon Fiber Mount Fuji emblem on the rear.
So what's your suspension setup?
The suspension mod, it has the Airlift V2 air suspension, so it is electronic, but it's one of the first Airlift electronic systems. It also has the SPC front and rear camber arm kit, the Z1 Poly Trans mount, which is really good, easy to install too, and it has Z1 engine mounts.
So what's your wheel and tire setup?
For the wheel and tires, it has the Rays Engineering Nismo wheels in black chrome on the driver's side and triple chrome on the passenger side. I have the full rears 19 by 10.5 plus 23 offset squared setup, and I pieced that all together. And they are sitting on Firestone Firehawk ND 500 tires in 275/35 rear, 255/35 front.
So what have you done with the car performance-wise?
Previously it was full bolt-on. I had the headers, manifolds, both manifolds ported, 3-inch intakes, full dual titanium exhaust, and some other little stuff, GTR injectors and things, even the still and underdrive pulley. But now the manifolds and the exhaust are the only things retained in the pulley, and everything else has been replaced with the Switchback Racing single top mount turbo kit. It has 1300 ID 1300X injectors, the 525 fuel pump, I call that the Hellcat pump, CJM fuel return with flex fuel kit, and a host of other little things. The stage 4 Z-Speed stage 4 6-putt clutch, and it put down 560 wheel horsepower at 15 psi. Now that's great power, but I was disappointed because for some odd reason it's losing fuel pressure at wide open throttle on the high boost, and it hits a fuel cut. So the plan is to go back, fix that. I'm gonna take the car back to Switchback. They'll fix it. We'll go back and retune. And the goal is 650 horsepower, wheel horsepower, which it is very capable of doing.
So what do you love about this car?
What do I love about the car? Well, I love that it is a unicorn, a true unicorn in every sense of the word, because they are so hard to find, especially now that, you know, the years are going by and it's hard to find them in really good condition. And so this past weekend hanging with you was really awesome. It was such a rare sight to see our cars together, and I revel in that. It's a car that I'll never get rid of because it is still such a great looking car, and it performs really good with the competition. So I love that it's stick shift. I was looking for a good stick shift 4-door sedan that was a grown-up sedan, not a boy racer looking car, and this fit all of my checkpoints. So really enjoy the car.
The car is all mic'd up, everything. We're going to do some short pulls. I ran out of battery power, so we don't have on-body mic. So sorry, we gotta deal with this onboard mic. But you guys not here to hear us. You guys are here to listen to this damn car, aren't you? Definitely a different sound. It's a titanium, right?
Titanium. 3-inch exhaust, and it has a 3.5-inch inverter, and they have 3-inch all the way down.
Okay. These kind, well, just a showcase, a spotlight.
Yeah.
I can't really say I do a full review because I didn't drive it, but it's just a spotlight.
You should.
I know, but the timeline is so crunch right now. I just don't want to add anything to it, you know? Alright guys, so right now we have some city driving, so we'll get to hear like some nice quick spools, some exhaust, some everyday turbo sounds, you know? Yeah, so pretty much just go back in the same parking lot, let me run and get my car. So where are you gonna meet the photographer at?
So he sent me info on where he has an idea of where we're gonna shoot at. Just want to make sure that you were down as well.
Yeah, sure. Time since I've done boost.
Super addictive.
All right. Hopefully the 510 will be good. Missed it? Oh, they're coming with?
No, not really. They're going to the after show, but it's just like some homies. On the Riverside, this is the first time on the Riverside.
Gotcha. That AR.
We're gonna probably hit it on this.
That second and third was no traction.
That is what's very impressive about the VHR. It can take that power, like you're used to 320 to 340, you're used to that, and it feels fast. But then you give it 100, 150, 200 more horsepower. Mm-hmm. It's just like, my goodness, it's insane.
The VQ platform is going to be used a lot in the upcoming with SRs and RBs getting so expensive. VQ swaps are going to be right there?
No, because I tried to come back there this morning.
Oh, okay.
So this is where I came, and then I went into the parking lot.
Okay.
Go, bro. What are you doing? Come on, man.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Well, I'm not going to let you turn past me. Sorry. like it? Very excellent. Pristine, bro.
Trying to give him a bearings.
Got you, bro.
Alright guys, so that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like, hit that thumbs up. Salty stuff will be in the description, but you guys probably have that shit already unlocked. But until next time guys, y'all have a good one.